What's up, online shoppers? I've got a really awesome 21 pack of chalk markers. Now these come in a wide variety of colors, so let's open up the box and see what you get. There's a quick preview right there. You get a couple different styles as well. In here we have some fine tipped chalk markers, and then look at this gorgeous collection of colors. These are all the different markers that you get in this 21 pack. So you get all of these, plus you get 6 of the skinnies. Let's open them up and see what they look like. Now there are a couple things to know about chalk markers before you use them. First of all, they do not come preloaded with the ink in their cap. You actually have to load that ink up. In order to load it, you shake it. Now you see how the nib here, this nib is actually removable. It's rounded in this tip, and then it has an angle right there. So you can actually pick the tip that you want. And even after you have loaded it with ink, you can take it out and flip the nib so that you either have the point or the round side. It just gets a little messy on your hands. So these are gonna work on your chalkboard, your blackboard, your window, your bistro sign, your car glass. And what I'm doing right now is I'm pumping it to load the ink into the nib of my marker. You can see it's starting to come. A couple more pumps and it should be good. Now we have neon, earth colors, we have bright colors, and all you have to do once you have the ink loaded is do your art. That's all you have to do. Now these are really nice markers to use. In this collection, you get 15 bright and pastel colored markers, and then you also get these really nice little metallic markers, and they are skinny. So you get 6 different ones in here, and the cool thing about this is this little pack here is not sold separately, so you can't get this pack any other way. Here are your metallic markers right here. Let's see what this one looks like. Now these are a little different. They already come preloaded with the color, so you don't have to do anything but just uncap and go. Now something I know about these markers is that they work a lot better if they are stored with the tip down. So if your marker, when you take it out of the box, looks a little dried out, just make sure you store it tip down for a little bit to have the ink flowing. Really nice markers to work with. Whether you're using these on paper or glass or any other surface, they are absolutely gorgeous. If you are looking for a nice set of chalk markers to really level up your art game on metal, glass, chalkboard, whiteboard, these are pretty fantastic, and they are definitely a family favorite at my house.